Hey everybody, Austin from Griffin Armament here, and we're going to be going over the use of block skip and go-to statements to enhance the functionality of a CNC program. We have a broad line here that helps us provide product that our diverse customer base is satisfied with, and you know, we have many machines on the floor. They're all actually operating right now, even this machine here. We just took a break to take the video. But this setup here was carefully devised, and the programming for these parts was kind of a calculated effort to support that diverse product line and be able to go part to part and support the various models in the line. The tooling in the machine right now supports the manufacture of stainless and titanium 5.56 and 30 caliber baffles with drill changes between 5.56 and 30 caliber, and a program change to go from stainless to titanium. So we've got a family of, I believe, 4 programs and block skip and go-to statements that allow us to manufacture something like 12 individual parts to support various cans like the Paladin, the Recce, M4SD series, and others. So to get into this, what we're running right now in the machine, we're running what's called a weld blast baffle. So we have certain, we have a formula of go-to statements and block skip functionality that allows us to skip, add, and remove certain operations to get from one part to another in the same machine setup on the same program. So we're able to run, in this current program, stainless blast baffles, stainless baffles for welding, stainless blast baffles and baffles for our other products that orient together and use the spring locking cap. So for example, we could run a stainless Paladin core if we wanted to, or a stainless Paladin baffle, switch the program, call it go-to and block skip statements, and go to the titanium parts in that series. So I'm at the control now, and this is the block delete function. So block skip is engaged. You know, block skip or block delete, they're interchangeable terms. And so if we wanted to search down to show you a block skip, so this is an operation where every line is block skipped, and if the block delete is engaged and lit, the program is not going to read any of these block skip lines. So it in fact skip this operation. So then if I hit reset, get back to the top, I can show you by typing go to, search down. So there's go-to statement number 1, and you can see it's set to go to 2318, and this is the format that FANUC reads. GOTO 2318 means that it's going to look for line 2318. So the option is 43 would jump right to this line right here and would then run this operation. However, if we have the 2318 engaged, I'm hitting page down, it's going to pop to this line and it's going to immediately go to pick off the part. So it's going to skip that operation. So as you can see, using the go-to statements and block delete functionality, we're making multiple parts with one program in one setup. So we got 2 different parts here. This would be like a Paladin 5 baffle, and this is like a Recce 5 blast baffle for welding. And so you see that there's a line of code that is block skipped on the weld blast baffle where the grooving tool doesn't cut off this flange. And there's also operations that are go-to statement or block skip deleted, which would have created the milled notch and tab. And so we don't have a notch or a tab, we've got a flange. You know, you've got two different parts with go to or block skip statements. The other thing you can use this functionality for is if you're doing a runoff and you have a trouble tool or something like that, you want to skip for whatever reason something in the program, but you're running other operations, you can add that go to statement pretty quickly in edit manually and skip that. Or for example, if you have high pressure coolant and you want to be able to see something going on, or you want to shut off through spindle coolant or something like that, you can, a lot of times guys will do an air run, for example, with their coolant commands block skipped. And then they'll put the block delete on so they can run through the program and watch what's going on for safety and make sure the setup doesn't have collision or interference issues. But I hope this can be helpful for you guys that are in manufacturing. This is a neat level of control that this offers. So guys, this has been the first in a series of manufacturing videos we want to do to help people in manufacturing just understand various things, or to entertain our end users and help them to understand what's involved in producing the product. If you have anybody that you might benefit from the video, feel free to share the video with them. If you could like or comment, we'd appreciate that. I hope we've helped you with something here. In manufacturing, there are a lot of people who strategically protect knowledge and don't want people to learn things. And here we do a lot of training of our employees, cross-training of our employees, and we want to use the best manufacturing techniques available in industry here. And we appreciate sharing knowledge and learning things ourselves. And so if you're one of those people, I hope you're able to benefit from some of the videos we're going to put down in our series here.